Welcome to my channel, To The Point. Today we will make sourdough bread using the Moroccan traditional way, which I find easier and healthier when compared to many recipes out there. I would like to mention that for this recipe I am using whole grain flour, which gives a more dark bread, but if you are not a big fan of dark bread, you may replace some portions with white flour. So without further ado, let me share the recipe with you. Here you go, our bread is ready now. So soft and fluffy. So you can eat it right away and keep the remaining for the next couple days. The best way to keep this bread is to place it in a cloth bag once it is completely cold, then in a plastic bag that you can keep in the fridge. Each time you want to have some of this bread, take only the portion you want to eat and place it in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes, 350 degrees. It will taste exactly like just baked. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye and see you next time.